In this video, I'm going to show you how to create captivating clickable thumbnail. Yes, we're going to be dealing on thumbnail. Okay, all right. Let me explain this. As a beginner, as a new creator here on YouTube, you see this thumbnail. If you don't know how to do this, you're going to struggle for a very long time. There is something a lot of creators do not understand, especially small YouTubers. Your thumbnail stands out even before your video gets clicked upon. And there is something most of us are doing wrong. We take time to create our videos, we spend hours in editing our videos, and when it comes to thumbnail, we just rush our thumbnails. We just upload it just like that. No, stop doing it. Because thumbnail is the first impression. Thumbnail is what people see before the main video. It's just like you're judging a book with its cover. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you know you want to stand out here on the street of YouTube, you need to know how to create thumbnail. And I have good news for you guys. You don't need to be a graphics designer. You don't need to be a pro. You don't need to go to any design classes for you to make captivating, eye-catching thumbnails. All right, so we're going to learn how to make that thumbnails. So guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. Emphasis, helping each other. I want you to go in the comment section, go and support one creator. Yes, you heard me right. Make sure you genuinely support them. Don't just go to their channel and just subscribe and walk away. Make sure you like their content. Make sure you're always going to watch their videos. So go into the comment section and support a creator. And do not forget to like this video and share to your loved ones. At the end of the day, you can thank me later. Yes, you can thank in kind or cash. So let me just illustrate this quickly, and I'm going to show you practical step on how to do this. So we need two apps, and this two app is completely free. You don't need to pay for them to give you what you want. So I'm going to be using Canva app. I'm going to display what it looks like on the screen so you guys can understand. So download Canva on your Play Store. If you're a creator and you don't have Canva, please go and download this app. When it comes to thumbnails, design, this is the oga patapata of them all. Let me use that word, okay? After Canva, the next app we're going to be using in this tutorial, we are going to be using ChatGPT. Oh yes, you heard me right. ChatGPT is going to be our finishing touch to give you that professional look that you want. Yeah. So you're going to download this one and get this one. You can use the free version of this one. In fact, these both apps have the pro versions where you need to pay, but we don't need to pay to do what we need to do right now. We're going to be using the free version to create our thumbnail. So let's just go straight into the tutorial. Follow me step by step. Don't be in a hurry. If you can get this thing right, if you can get thumbnail, see, once you cross the bridge of thumbnail, don't worry, the sky is your limit. Let's go straight into the video. So guys, at this point, I never knew my mic was muted, so we're going to do a voiceover, all right? So just go into your phone and go and get your Canva app, all right? So if you don't have Canva on your device, I'm using my mobile phone to show you guys. Go and download Canva, okay? So now we're going to click on the Canva app. That is the first app we're going to use to get our thumbnails. So once you click on it, you're going to get your interface. So this is what your interface is going to look like. So you just click on create new, okay? So I want you guys to follow me on this tutorial. So once you click on create, it's going to ask you what would you like to create, okay? So we're creating a YouTube thumbnail. I know a lot of you guys already know how to use this Canva app. So this one now, we're going to use it to get very eye-catchy thumbnail, okay? So now I'm going to type in there YouTube thumbnail. So you guys should just stay with me, bear with me on this voiceover. I never knew my mic was muted, okay? So now we're going to get a plain layout, like a plain background, okay? So now once you click on YouTube thumbnail, it's going to display several thumbnails. So we're just going to look for one, just pick one and use as a template. So we need a plain background, actually that's what we're going to be using. So I picked this particular one. So I'm going to remove these images, just remove everything here because we're not trying to, you know, use this particular template. Let me use that word. Okay, so after taking everything off, you should have a plain sheet, a plain white sheet. Okay, so now we're going to bring in a picture. So you should already have a picture of yourself that you want to upload into this plain sheet. So you can take, pictures of yourself with different expression, however you want it to be. Okay, so just go down there, you click on upload, like you're going to import your picture from your gallery. That's from your camera, your picture roll. What am I saying? From your photo gallery here. So go and get that picture you snapped. It's very simple. So let's pick one. I already snapped myself looking towards the marker board, so I'm just going to pick one of my pictures. So always make sure you snap pictures that you want to use. So I'm picking that one. So it's going to load into the Canva app itself. So now you just need to adjust with your finger, just drag, so it will fill up the plain sheet. So you adjust it gently, keep adjusting until you're satisfied. It's very simple. This thing is one of the simplest way you can create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you just keep adjusting and adjust to when you are satisfied actually. So here I'm adjusting it to make sure it fits into this size. So this size is called the 16:9. This is the YouTube thumbnail size. It has a size. So if you don't get the size, at the end of the day, when you upload it on your YouTube channel, it's not going to fit in. Okay, so we're using this Canva to adjust the size of my picture. So if you have a good phone, you can take in 16:9, but if you don't have, just come here to adjust it. So what I'm doing right here, I'm adding colors. That one is if you like. I'm just adjusting colors, nothing really serious, just to make it brighter. You can see, just play around these things, play around it. Okay, there is no actual number, so just choose the colors. There are different one here. We have the contrast, we have, just play around this whole thing. Okay guys, this thing is easy, it's not hard. So once you're done adjusting the colors and everything, you just go ahead and save. Okay, so this is going to take some time to save into your device. So let's save this up. So guys, right here you can see it is saving. And guys, the good thing is this particular thumbnail is actually the exact thumbnail for this video. Okay, so you guys can even see how I got to make it. All right, so after saving, we're going to head over to ChatGPT. Oh yes, so you're going to be doing that with your smartphone. So let's go over to ChatGPT. So guys, this is what your ChatGPT should look like. Okay, so now the image we saved from Canva, we're going to bring it into ChatGPT. So guys, remember, if you're using the free version, you have to be very careful how many times you create photos. Okay, so you're going to import it. You click on that plus sign, and right here you're going to click on that particular thumbnail we adjusted from our Canva app. So it's already saved into your device. So right now, what are we going to do here? We're going to be giving ChatGPT a command. So we're going to be telling ChatGPT what we want to do. So let me say here, I'm going to be typing in, please, I want this thumbnail to look very clean, sharp. See, you can use any word of your choice. So for me, I can choose to say anything. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I want this thumbnail to be very attractive, captivating. Guys, this is where the whole trick is. So give ChatGPT the prompt. Tell ChatGPT what you want. And guys, note, if you have watched to this point, remember to tell ChatGPT to keep the image real. ChatGPT should keep the character real, because ChatGPT has a way of always, over modifying. Should I use that word? Maybe to just make your face look somehow. But please always make sure you include please keep the image real. So you can see here I said, please, I want this thumbnail to be very attractive, captivating, and jaw-dropping. And please keep the image real. You can use any word of your choice, whichever one suits you. You can say, oh, make it mind-blowing. You can say, oh, I want this to stand out. Just tell ChatGPT what you want, okay? And remember to upload the image. So guys, let's see what ChatGPT will do with this command. So after you've done everything, you just click on the enter button. It's going to start generating. Mind you, this is a free version. I did not pay for this. So there's a limited number of time you can use the free version. You can see right here, it's already telling me upgrade to create more. If you have money, upgrade, but there is no need, Jerry. Just use the free version, okay, whenever you want to make your thumbnail. So guys, this is really simple. After getting your, thumbnail from Canva, after arranging it, you just bring it to ChatGPT. Leave ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do the work. ChatGPT will do the work for you. And guys, I can't really wait to see what it's going to generate. Wow, woo, this is beautiful, guys. Can you see what I am saying? ChatGPT just transformed everything. Guys, let me zoom this thing so you can see very well. Is this not beautiful? So guys, we have our thumbnail ready to go, just like that. Just like that. And it feels really real and original, can't you see? And it looks professional. So you don't need to be a graphics designer. So tell me if you love this, let me know in the comment section. And if you're going to be trying it on your channel, let me know. So guys, I'm going to see you in another video. And do not forget to tell me thank you in the comment section. Yes, so see you in another video. And you can just go ahead to save it into your device. It will save it right away. Bye.